Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The sub question 2 is 2x minus 1 whole bracket raised 4 plus 4 2x minus 1 bracket cube into 3 minus 2x plus 6 into 2x minus 1 whole bracket square into 3 minus 2x whole bracket square plus 4 into 2x minus 1 into 3 minus 2x whole cube plus 3 minus 2x whole bracket raised 4. Now let's see the solution. In this problem, if you observe, there are only two terms. One term is 2x minus 1 and the second term is 3 minus 2x. So let 2x minus 1, this term we denote as a and 3 minus 2x, this term we denote as a b. So our problem becomes is equal to a raised 4 plus 4a cube into b plus 6a square b square plus 4a into b cube and plus b raised 4. It means in the above equation, whenever 2x minus 1 we write a and whenever 3 minus 2x we write b. Now if we observe these all terms, so this is by using binomial theorem, we have a plus b whole bracket raised 4. Now substitute a is equal to 2x minus 1 and b equal to 3 minus 2x, we get is equal to 2x minus 1 that we write for a plus 3 minus 2x that we write for b whole bracket raise 4. So that equal to, now we open the brackets, we get 2x minus 1 plus 3 minus 2x whole bracket raise 4. Now here we cancel plus 2x and minus 2x. Now we left with 3 minus 1, that is a 2 raise 4. And now 2 raise 4 gives us 16. So in this way, 2x minus 1 bracket raise 4 plus 4 into 2x minus 1 cube into 3 minus 2x plus 6 into 2x minus 1 the whole square into 3 minus 2x the whole square plus 4 into 2x minus 1 raise 1 into 3 minus 2x raise 3 plus 3 minus 2x whole bracket raise 4, and that equal to, we prove 16. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.